Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So we were talking about predicate in previous video and we saw some working examples, actually some applications of using predicate. Now we are talking about some methods from predicate. See, I'm not going to discuss like all methods here, just want to give you an overview. Like after having one abstract method, predicate interface also has some default and static methods. So we are not going to into that much detail like how this abstract and static method works, but here we will see the behavior. So this was from previous video and we were able to execute this code. Let's get one more file, Java file. Let's call this methods from um, predicate, right? Method from predicate and tester. So we will create some, actually I'll create one array. There I'll keep pushing all the integer values like int. Let's call this values equals square bracket and then some numbers, any random numbers like 10, 12, 15, 9, 68, 89, 99. Let's mix up in between as well, like 45, 33, just random numbers. There's no sequence, just adding some random numbers and not square brackets. It's going to be in curly braces. That's how we add elements in array, curly braces. Okay, so I have a collection. Now what I will do, I will create two predicates for that. One predicate will check let's say even numbers, and one will check some different, not odd, because when we have even number that means others will be odd. So one predicate will check predicate, it will take integer value, so integer, and I'll call that even predicate. Okay, and equals here I have to repeat the same logic like we did earlier. So it's taking integer, so I arrow and I modulo 2 equals to 0. So if it is this, just have it. Even you don't have to write return as well. It was just for explaining you that this is returning. Think about what happens at right side. I modulo 2 equals to 0. If it is true, returns true. If it is not, just no need to return anything. It gives true or false. Because we know test method returns boolean values. Okay, that's first predicate. Second predicate will just check for number like greater than something. Let's I'll take um, 50 from here. So predicate, again it's going to take integer values, then I'll take greater than let's say 50. Okay, that's my task, greater than 50 equals, and here I this, and if I is greater than 50, so yep, we already using condition, equals condition, greater than condition, so it always gives you boolean value, so no need to turn if else condition. So we have two predicates ready. Now let's run a for loop. So for loop, and on right section I have to give reference of collection, that is array here, and on left side of colon I have to give the type, so that's integer, so integer I. Okay, for loop is ready. Now let's call this predicate. So let's call this even predicate first. So how it goes, if I, not I actually, this even predicate dot test, and pass that I here. If it is this, so sys out. I'm just repeating again, it's just a practice. So if it is true, then print the I. Okay, so it will print all the uh, even numbers. So run as application, and yeah, 0, 10, 12, 68. So we have 4 even numbers. Okay, that's fine. But the requirement is, after having this, even I want to add one more condition. That list is coming out, and you need to put some condition like and greater than 50 predicate. Just rename it. Get greater than 50 predicate. Just following some conventions, so there's no confusion. Oops. Okay. Then call its test method and pass that I. So it returns if it is number, if that number is greater than 50, only then prints it. Okay, so we have enhanced our code. We have AND condition. It should be even number plus it should be greater than 50. Only then print it. Okay, so now we have a condition here, and let's run this code one more time. Okay, something is messed up here. Oh, so not one, sorry, it's I. Okay, so let's run this code one more time. Run as application, and yep, 68. So yep, we have list of even numbers, then we add one more condition, so it should be 68 only, then it pops up. How come we can use some methods? Right now we have not used any method except test is abstract method. So can we give like a one more way? So that we will do in next video. So here we just understood how to add multiple predicates in same condition. In next video we will use some functions. So that's just a next video in the same series. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.